What is up? I feel like I'm close enough that I don't actually need the phone. The phone? The mic. I have a mascara that I ordered on Amazon and I got it in the mail today. And I'm going to try it for y'all. I like this thing. Ooh, what a nice little package. Clearly the exact same thing you would get in the store. This is the Wet n Wild MegaVolume Mascara. And I got it in the color Very Black. This is cute. This one is vegan. This is the one of their mascara that is vegan. So that's why I ordered it. I'm gonna put some foundation on before I put this on. I think. Yeah. Oh, and then I'll get to talk about this. It's still kind of wet. When you wash your sponge, do it still feel wet? Mine still feel wet. Alright. Let me put this I'm gonna put on this primer first. I'm not somebody who gotta walk around the house wearing makeup. I don't walk around the house with makeup. Put the makeup on just to walk around the house. No. No. It is dewy and I put too much in my hand. Look how much is still there. I'm gonna have to put this out. And let's just use everything Wet n Wild. Photo Focus foundation. Remember that it has a wand. I don't want to do too much, because I know me. I'll put too much. I guess I can set this. Alright, it looks halfway decent. It looks alright. Let me know what y'all think. Should have put them down here. I'll just go ahead and set it. I mean, because why not? Oh, let me. Most of it didn't go in my. It's in my nose. This pump is faulty. Oh, now you want to show off. Woo! I guess the sponge is good. I got this sponge from Shein. There was I got it was this one and a gray one, and the gray one is slanted on the bottom, like flat on the side, and they come in the egg. What? Oh, I got some of that setting spray in my nose. Let's see what's going on with this. Y'all ready? Oh, it's like a regular brush. I thought it was gonna be one of those. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So look at my eyelashes. Get a good look at what they look like without this. Is anything on the brush? Probably not, because it probably was turned sideways. Wait a minute, y'all. But if it's full, it shouldn't matter. It should be full. Okay, well, let's see. You know what? It's probably nice. When I was just thinking, I don't know if it's giving me more volume than my Pacifica Length and Strength mascara, but it is. Like, you can tell the difference. I hope I'm not too close. Make sure that setting spray ain't hanging out my nose. Can y'all see? Can y'all tell? It's good. Situate myself to get this mascara on good, and my lashes sticking together and I can't separate. Ugh. I got a lot on this eye. I don't know why I do that, but alright. I feel like this mascara is clumping. And of course, I want to say maybe it's me or something I'm doing. But what could I be doing to make it do that? Yeah, y'all, I'm sending that NYX lippy powder puff lippy back. This mascara is clumping. I have so much more on this side, but y'all can tell that I have mascara on. And so, trying to even it up. I definitely got mascara on, so I would say it does what it's supposed to do. I think it was like $3. Y'all know I always want to tell y'all the prices, but I never know what the prices are. Let me just put this on. See, this makes me want to put on blush. From elf.com, I ordered oh, a lip balm and something else. It was something that cost $3. Oh, an eyeshadow quad. It's called like mini eyeshadow or something like that. But yeah, y'all, this is like a regular look that I would do. Put on like a foundation or a face powder, mascara, something on my lips, and maybe blush. But I don't have my brushes over here, and they're not clean. That's why I didn't do a whole full face, because I washed my brushes and I didn't feel like washing them, and also I didn't feel like I really need to put. I don't be wearing makeup like that, and I didn't want to put on a whole bunch of makeup. And I mean, just for the mascara, it's like, what's the foundation on? So you go into the bag, throw some foundation on, and put the mascara on. Y'all, my makeup bag is full. So I need another one. I want to get like a bigger thing, like a case, because I got like 2 or 3 more things I want to get. And y'all know I always take my hair down like I got something going on, because why not? So that is the review. This is a product. Wet n Wild MegaVolume mascara. I ordered it on Amazon.com, and I think it was like $3, but of course I'm gonna leave the link for y'all in the description. I'll also leave my just Amazon link, so if y'all like to shop on Amazon like I do, I'll leave my link, and I would appreciate it if y'all would use it whenever you need to shop, buy anything on Amazon, look around. That would be greatly appreciated by you, girl. I thank y'all so much for watching this video, and please let me know if like you want me to like test some other stuff, because like this is like actually not a new thing. So anyway, if there are any like vegan stuff y'all want me to talk about, or anything like vegan products, vegan food, vegan lifestyle, let me know. And this mascara is definitely thick. Well, I mean, your girl got on a lot. So that is it, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video and that it helped you. And if you know anyone who would benefit from watching this video, please share this video with them and help me out. And also, hopefully y'all will get to see this video by the weekend, that first full weekend in March. Hopefully y'all will see this video. If not, sometime in the beginning of the following week, because it is February 29th. So yeah, I thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate y'all so much. Until next time, please do good and be good, and I will see y'all later.